Good morning friends. Today my lecture topic is water pollution. Water pollution is caused by the release of substances into subsurface groundwater or into rivers, lakes, oceans, streams to such an extent that it interferes with the beneficial use of water or the natural functioning of the ecosystem. Major causes of water pollution are deforestation, urbanization, power plants, both thermal and chemical. Many industries use a lot of water and then release the hot water directly into the water bodies. Social and religious practices, oil spill. According to UN studies, it is seen that 80 lakh people die each year due to water pollution, in which 7 lakh people is in India itself. Water pollution is majorly calculated by an index known as BOD, biochemical oxygen demand. It is the amount of oxygen required by the bacteria to break down certain volume of sample of water. It is calculated such that if the BOD value is less than 5 ppm, then the water is clean. If BOD value is greater than 17 ppm, the water is highly polluted. Major effects of water pollution are: it drastically affects the aquatic life. This is because water pollution leads to a process known as eutrophication, in which nutrient-enriched water bodies support a dense plant population, thus killing the aquatic life by depriving it of oxygen and results in the loss of biodiversity. It leads to many human health diseases such as cholera, typhoid, hepatitis, diarrhea. It affects the food chain. These are the effects and causes of water pollution. Due to the increase in pollution, several schemes have been taken up by government to control this. One of the scheme is Namami Gange. Namami Gange is the project which was taken up by Government of India in June 2014 to clean Ganga river. The main pillars of this scheme are sewage infrastructure development, river front development, river surface cleaning, building of more toilets, public awareness, industrial effluent monitoring. And I am happy to inform that Namami Gange project is successful in 2021. Ganga river is much more cleaner in terms of heavy metals dissolved in water. The BOD value of Ganga river is 7 to 8 as compared to previous value of 27. Similar project has been taken up by Delhi government in 2020 to clean Yamuna river. Also, to control the water pollution at a large scale in sea and ocean, an organization has been set up which is known as UNCLOS, United Nations Convention on Law of Sea. The steps which we individual can take to control water pollution are: do not dump in or around rivers, clean any water body surrounding you, and take part in the public awareness in spreading the public awareness against water pollution. Do not pour fat and oil directly into the sink. At last, I would end my lecturate by quoting the famous quote of Sir Thomas Fuller: "We never know the worth of water until the well is dry." Thank you.